Let's make a simple and easy sausage charcuterie board, all done on the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler. This was super easy, definitely a crowd pleaser, everything you could ever want on your sausage right on one board. So let's get started. We're going to load up the coals on the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler, get everything assembled, and then we are going to start grilling. So I'm going to be using all of my homemade sausages. They're going to be Philly cheesesteak, pepperoni pizza, mild Italian, and then a smoked kibasi. I definitely suggest getting some unique flavors if you do have access to them around you. Definitely makes it more fun and more enjoyable. So we're going to toast up our split top hot dog buns, get a little char on them, and then we're going to start getting our toppings together. Your favorite mustards, sauerkraut, roasted peppers and onions, pickles, pickled red onions, white onions, and then some mozzarella cheese. So when you're planning your board, definitely be sure to get toppings that go well with the sausages that you picked. Have some fun, sit back, relax, and enjoy a nice sausage charcuterie board.